Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma and the book which we are doing Maths of Nursery. Today we will learn what comes between numbers. Are you ready? Let's start. Question number 1 में देखिए. Look at this yellow fish. It has number 3. Now look at this pink fish. It has number 5. What number comes between 3 and 5? 4. Very good. Picture number 2 में देखिए hen and egg. Now see these hands. One hen has number 4. The other hen has number 6. What comes between 4 and 6? 5. Very good students. Dear students, now it's time to do activity. What comes between? Now children, look here. There are 3 apples, 3 and 5. What comes between? 4. Look at the balloons. 7 and 9. What comes between? 8. The gifts. 4 and 6. What comes between? 5. Look at the bucket. 1 and 3. What comes between? 2. Look at the candies. 5 and 7. What comes between? 6. Look at the ice cream. What comes between? 7. Excellent counting. Dear students, today we learn the middle number is called between.